So now we're gonna draw the net of a hexahedron. And for this I need a protractor triangle, a pencil. You guys have to use a pencil. I'm gonna use a white marker because it's better visible for you guys. And I'm gonna use a longer ruler just because it's easier. Now I'm gonna make the edges 10 centimeters. And I actually need 4 squares next to each other. But my ruler is only 30 centimeters long. I need to make actually a line of 40 centimeters, but I'm gonna start at 30. So I'm gonna draw this line, and it's gonna be one side of the squares I'm gonna need, because it's basically a big cube we're gonna make, and that consists out of squares. So now I made the line of 40 centimeters, put in the dots 10 centimeters apart. With my protractor triangle, I'm actually gonna make the lines that make up the squares, and I'm gonna make sure you use the line in the middle. I'm gonna make sure they are perpendicular, so they make a 90 degree angle. You have to do this because squares always have 90 degree angles, so you need your protractor triangle for this. You need to make sure the lines are perpendicular. And now it's just a matter of finishing those squares. We make 4 squares that are next to each other, and then we have to make 2 more squares to make sure we have a cube. This is actually one of the easier nets to make because you don't need your compass. You just need to make sure those lines are perpendicular and that they are the right size. So this one is actually pretty easy to make. There are a lot of different nets you can make with this one. I choose this one because this is just the one I always remembered. But you can make different nets with this one. Now I'm gonna put in the flaps. I'm gonna call them flaps. I know they're not named that way. And that's it. We're done.